Okay.
Guys. The Rock.
We have The Rock. Like, over there. And
trucks.
we have the trucks. Catch you later.
See guys.
It's like really dark.
It's just
It is.
Did you like it?
Can you take popcorn
What if
in?
the only thing different from the books
Wait, garbage.
is web is called web?
Wait, hold this.
recycle.
That's garbage.
Guys, is it real or fake?
Je ne sais pas.
Je ne sais pas.
Nous ne peut pas. The turning point in my life. This was the free card.
That was kind of sexy.
I know.
Waters?
Can we get water? Anything else?
Nope.
Okay, you pull up the next second window after.
Alright, thanks.
Like, pretend like I'm gonna pay. No. I think they know. What? I think they know. I like they do know by now.
Hi there.
Hello.
So apparently you can't get 2 million waters. You have to like you can't just get 2 million waters. You have to like add something. Are you adding anything?
Are we adding anything?
Do you want anything?
No.
Okay, then no.
Like, we'll just drive through.
Alright, sounds good.
That was kind of embarrassing. Why can't we not just get water?
I think that's kind of dumb, but like, that kind of makes sense.
Like, what if we were super thirsty? Because, like, we don't have water right here.
It's like McDonald's water is the best water. No.
What? Wait, is it full?
Well, probably now.
Ooh, it's full.